Lucas, quick question. What is the most expensive, wait, no. What is the most money you ever paid for one piece of fruit?
Ooh, one piece of fruit, like just one?
Yeah, just one, like an apple or a banana.
I think maybe $5 for a really small box of strawberries. Wait, that is a box, not one fruit.
Exactly. Markets can be so expensive if you don't know, how to talk.
Oh, 100%. I get scared. I just give them my money.
Yes, that is the problem. Welcome to English Pod Center, everyone. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas.
And today we are going to the market. Well, we're talking about the market.
Going to the market, buying food, so scary.
It is scary because, well, you are in a new country, right?
Mm-hmm.
You want to buy some fresh food, but the English words are hard to remember.
Yeah, like you stand there, the man is looking at you, and your brain just stops.
Exactly. Your brain goes poof, empty.
Poof, just empty. So what do we do, Luna? Help me. I want cheap apples.
Okay. First thing, you need to ask about the price.
The price. How much money it costs.
Right. So, Lucas, how do you ask?
I say, how much money do you want for this?
I mean, that works, but it is very long.
Too long?
Yeah, too long. Just say, how much is this?
Oh, how much is this? That is easy.
Super easy. How much is this? Or, if you hold it, how much for this?
How much for this? Okay, but wait, what if it is very far away?
Ah, good question. If it is far away, you point and say, how much is that?
This is close, that is far.
Exactly. You got it.
Okay, story time.
I was at the market yesterday, and I saw a beautiful tomato. Big, red. A tomato. Nice. Yeah. So I asked, how much is this? And the man said, $10. $10 for one tomato? Yes. And I didn't know what to say, so I paid $10. No! Lucas, you gave him $10?
I was scared. What do I say? No?
Yes, you say no. Or you say that is too expensive.
Too expensive. Okay, too much money.
Right. Expensive means it costs a lot of money, like your $10 tomato.
My very sad tomato. I ate it so slowly.
I bet you did. So, rule number 2, if it costs a lot,
Say, that is too expensive.
yes, and then you can ask for a better price.
Wait, really? I can ask for a better price? In a supermarket?
No, not in a big supermarket. Like Walmart, you cannot ask for a better price there.
Oh, excuse me, Mr. Walmart. Can I have this cheaper?
No, they will look at you like you are crazy.
Okay, so only at the street market.
Yes, the street market, where the farmers are.
Got it. Okay, so I say, that is too expensive. Then what?
Then you ask, can you make it cheaper?
Can you make it cheaper? Cheaper, less money.
Exactly. Cheap is good, expensive is bad.
For my wallet, yes, cheap is very good.
So let's practice. I am the farmer. You want to buy a watermelon.
Ooh, a watermelon. Okay, big, green. Got it.
I say, hello, this watermelon is $20.
That is too expensive. Can you make it cheaper? How is that?
Perfect, Lucas. That was really good.
Wait, really? Did I sound like a pro?
You sounded, very angry, but good.
Oh, sorry. I really like watermelon.
So if you say that, the farmer says, okay, $15.
Yes, I saved $5.
Exactly. Now let's learn one more thing.
Okay, what is it?
Buying more than one, like 2 or 3 apples.
Oh, right, because I am always hungry.
So you ask, how much for 2?
How much for 2?
Yes, very simple.
Wait, can I say how much for 3?
Yes, you can. 2, 3, 4, any number.
Okay, let's do the role play again, Luna.
All right. I am selling, bananas.
Yellow bananas, yum.
Hello. 1 banana is $2.
That is too expensive.
Still angry.
Sorry. How much for 3?
Good. For 3, it is $5.
Oh, that is cheaper.
Yes, usually more is cheaper. It's like a deal.
A deal. Good price.
Exactly. So let's look at a problem many people have.
A problem?
Yes, people forget the word for. They just say, how much to?
Oh, how much to? That sounds bad.
It is not correct. People understand, but for is better.
Oh, how much for two? Got it.
Right, like a small bridge. How much for two?
Bridge. I like that picture in my head.
Now, let's practice with the listeners.
Oh, listeners, are you ready?
I will say a fruit. You ask the price for four.
Okay, I will try too.
Ready? Oranges.
How much for four?
Great. Now, listeners at home, try this one. Mangoes.
Say it loud.
Did you say how much for four?
I think they did. They are very smart.
I agree. You are all doing great.
So we learned how much is it?
Yes,
And that is too expensive.
correct.
And can you make it cheaper?
Mm-hmm. And how much for two?
Wow, I am ready for the market.
Me too. Let's go buy some fruit.
Wait, really? Like right now?
Well, maybe later.
Oh man, I really wanted a watermelon.
Next time, Lucas.
Fine. Hey, if you want to learn more, subscribe.
Yes. Follow us at English Pod Center.
See you next time. Bye.